हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू दिस चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम प्रॉब्लम्स इन जनरल फिज़िक्स बाय आई इरदोव की प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1.103 डिस्कस करेंगे और इसके सलूशन में हम कंप्यूटर अलजेब्रा सॉफ्टवेयर्स मैक्सिमा, सेज मैथ और वुल्फ्रेम मैथमेटिका सॉफ्टवेयर्स से डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन सेटअप करना और उसका सलूशन सीखेंगे। पहले हम प्रॉब्लम पढ़ते हैं। ए बॉडी ऑफ मास m rests on a horizontal plane with the friction coefficient k. At the time t is equal to 0, a horizontal force is applied to it which varies with time as f is equal to at, where a is a constant vector. Find the distance traversed by the body during the first t seconds after the force action begin. Now here suppose this is a body of mass m and force F is equal to at is applied on it. Now here a is a constant vector. Now here you can see that force is time dependent, as linearly dependent on time. As time increases, t increases, F also increases. Now on this body a friction force is also acting. Now when maximum friction force is equal to kmg. Now when the initial force F is equal to at is less than frictional force kmg, there is no motion in this body. But when F is equal to at force increases after some time greater than t is equal to 0, t is equal to t0, then this when F is equal to at0 is greater than kmg, then there is a motion. So when t is equal to t0, then in that case F is equal to at0 is equal to kmg. From this we can find out that t is equal to t0 time. At this time the motion starts. When t is greater than t0, so F at0 is greater than kmg. So net acceleration is equal to force is equal to at minus kmg, that is at0 divided by m. This is the net force when t is greater than t0. This is equal to at minus t0 by m. So we can see here एक्सेलरेशन को हम लिख सकते हैं d2s by dt square. This is the acceleration, second order derivative is equal to at minus t0 by m. So this is the differential equation. Acceleration is equal to at minus t0 by m, and initial condition is at t is equal to, when t is less than t0 or is equal to t0, s is equal to 0 and v is also 0. This is the initial condition here. So this is the differential equation and this is the initial condition. If you solve by integrating this differential equation with initial conditions, we get the solution here. A by 6m t minus t0 whole cube. So इस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन को हम अब कंप्यूटर अलजेब्रा सॉफ्टवेयर से सॉल्व करेंगे। कंप्यूटर अलजेब्रा सॉफ्टवेयर्स क्या हैं? कंप्यूटर अलजेब्रा सॉफ्टवेयर्स प्रोग्राम्स हैं जो कि इक्वेशंस सॉल्व करने के लिए और न्यूमेरिकल कैलकुलेशंस में यूज़ होते हैं और उनमें ग्राफिक कैपेबिलिटीज़ भी होती हैं। हम कर्व भी प्लॉट कर सकते हैं इक्वेशंस के से यूज़ करके। और हमारे पास कंप्यूटर अलजेब्रा सॉफ्टवेयर सिस्टम है मैक्सिमा, सेज मैथ, ये ओपन सोर्स सॉफ्टवेयर सिस्टम्स हैं। मैटलैब, वुल्फ्रेम मैथमेटिका एंड मैपल, these are commercial software system, and this is a symbolic Python computer algebra software system. So first, अच्छा डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन में ये जो डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन है, दिस इज द डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन इनकी बहुत सारी एप्लीकेशंस होती हैं और ये इंजीनियरिंग फिजिक्स, मैथ, इंजीनियरिंग फिजिक्स और मैथमेटिक्स और बीएससी फर्स्ट ईयर्स में और सीबीएसई बोर्ड में पढ़ाई जाती हैं। वैसे ये सिंपल प्रॉब्लम है, पर कंप्यूटर अलजेब्रा सॉफ्टवेयर्स सीखने के लिए ये एक अच्छा एग्जाम्पल है। पहले हम मैक्सिमा सॉफ्टवेयर का यूज़ करते हैं। हमने कुछ अर्लियर वीडियोज़ में मैक्सिमा सॉफ्टवेयर के बारे में डिस्कस किया है। मैक्सिमा सॉफ्टवेयर मैक्साइमा सिर्फ सॉफ्टवेयर एक कॉमर्शियल सॉफ्टवेयर था मैक्साइमा, बाद में ये ओपन सोर्स हो गया, फ्री सॉफ्टवेयर हो गया इन द नेम ऑफ मैक्सिमा। इट वाज डेवलप्ड एट MIT। इस मैक्सिमा सॉफ्टवेयर का 5.47 वर्जन हम डेस्कटॉप के लिए हम यहाँ से डाउनलोड, इस वेबसाइट से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं, sourceforge.net। और इसका वेब पेज, ऑनलाइन वेब पेज भी अवेलेबल है मैक्सिमा का। दिस इज़ द वेबसाइट। आप वेब पेज पर इस वेबसाइट से ओपन कर सकते हैं और मैक्सिमा कमांड्स आप लिख करके रन कर सकते हैं। सो डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन विथ इनिशियल कंडीशंस, this differential equation, and this is the initial condition we have to solve using maxima। तो मैक्सिमा का सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोग्राम होगा, ये हम सिंगल कोट्स में लिखेंगे, DIFF डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, S इज डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल, T इज इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल, D2S बाई एंड द सेकेंड ऑर्डर D2S बाई dt स्क्वायर, D2S बाई dt स्क्वायर को लिखने का ये तरीका हो गया। एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू A T माइनस T0 बाई M। दिस इज द फर्स्ट लाइन कमांड, एंड दिस इज single quote is applied here to show this differential equation setup, and this is the colon, and this differential equation has been assigned to a variable equation EQ. Now the command for now from this first line we set up the differential equation. Now the command for to solve the differential equation is maxima is ODE2. This is the command. ODE2 is the command, and this is the open and close bracket. This is the equation, EQ is the equation which we have set up earlier, ये जो पहले हमने यहाँ establish किया है, setup किया है। S is the dependent variable and T is the independent variable, and P solve is the variable particular solution. IC2 is the initial conditions for the second order. G solve is this variable, the solution of differential equation which we get from this G solve, and this is the initial condition at T is equal to T0, S is equal to 0, as well as the velocity is equal to 0. This is the ds by dt is equal to 0. So these are three lines command equation. We set up the equation. This is the ODE2's command to solve the differential equation, and this is the to solve the differential equation under an initial condition. This is the maxima interface here, WS maxima interface। आप वेबसाइट से इसको डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। दिस इज द वेब पेज। नाउ वी राइट द कमांड हियर, जो कि यहाँ पर लिखे हुए हैं। ये कमांड्स हम इस पर, ये इसका यूज़र इंटरफेस है। यहाँ पर ये सब लेटर्स अवेलेबल हैं, ग्रीक लेटर्स अवेलेबल हैं। मैक्सिमा इक्वेशंस, दीज आर द मीनू, and this is the first line to set up the equation. This is the second line, general solution, differential equation ODE2. IC2 is the initial conditions. G solve is this variable from the solution from the second line, and RATS simp is the rational simplification command is what we get. P solve, we simplify it. So if we execute this command, shift plus enter, execute this command, we get this output. Now we see here, first line is this is the differential equation which हमने जो सेटअप किया है. Second line, this is this solution, general solution. You can see here the S, this is the solution, and these are the constants. percentage K2 and percentage K1 is the constants here, and this is the particular solution, and this solution is the final solution, and if we simplify it we get this. You can see here this is t minus t0 whole cube, a by 6m. So this is the answer we get here. So you can see here how this differential equation is written in the Maxima program. Now we go to the Sage Math. Sage Math is also a free open source, a very powerful mathematics software system, and it uses many open source packages: numerical Python, scientific Python, Matplotlib, symbolic Python, Maxima, Gap, Flint, R and many more softwares यूज़ करते हैं, और Python syntax है इसका, and it is a alternative to Maple, Wolfram Mathematica and MATLAB. These are commercial softwares का ये alternative है जो आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Now if you write from the Sage Math for the desktop, you can download from this website, you can download, but for the initial learning purposes we can use Sage Cell Server also. So you go to the web page, and in web page, this is the web page here, and you can execute these commands, Sage Math commands, in this Sage server using cloud computing. Now we write the Sage Math program for the above differential equation. This is the first line. This is the variable command. VAR is the variable. What are the variables here? M, T, A, T0, S. These are the variables. Single quotes में हम variables define कर लेते हैं, और कोई अगर variable miss हो जाता है तो बाद में उसको introduce कर लेते हैं, क्योंकि program error दे देगा. Now this second line defines the function. S is a function of T. T is the independent variable. S is the dependent variable. So this line defines S is a function of T. This defines all the variables which are used in this program. So this is Python-like syntax here. Now for the differential equation, we use again DIFF command, differential equation command, dependent variable S. S is here. T2 is the second order derivative, ds2 by dt square, and this is a differential equation, at minus t0 by m, and this is the variable equation 1, EQ1. Now solution for the solution of the differential equation, DESolve command is used. DESolve command is used in the Sage Math. So we write the equation EQ1, and dvar is the dependent variable. Dependent variable is S. So we write dvar is equal to S. Ivar is the independent variable. Independent variable is T. So we note these 2 points. ICS is the initial conditions. At t is equal to t0. So t0 is the time, S is equal to 0, and the first order derivative is also is equal to 0. We can see here. At t is equal to 0, t is equal to t0, S is equal to 0, and V or ds by dt is equal to 0. So this we write here in Sage Math command. So these are the commands for the Sage Math, and if you run these commands, we get the output here. Now if you go to the Sage Cell Server here, and we write these commands here in Sage Cell Server, and we press the evaluate, then online we get the, using the cloud computing, we get the, this is the result. And if you simplify it, simply it is answer a by 6m t minus t0 whole cube. Now we go to the Mathematica. Mathematica is a worldwide recognized computer algebra software system by scientific community, and this is the website, and it is a commercial licensed software registered to Wolfram Group LLC. So, but if you initial for purpose, Mathematica is also available on the mobile. So you can go to the Wolfram Cloud on mobile. We can, for Android mobile, you go to the Google Play and download the Wolfram Cloud application. this is a symbol here, and for the Apple operating systems we can go for the Apple Store here, and when you download it, you sign in using your email and open the new notebook and new cell, and for the evaluation of the program we can evaluate cell. These are the commands here which are used. Now for the Mathematica program, how we write the equation? This is the equation. Suppose the equation is equal to, this is the how we write ds by dt square, d2s by dt square. How we write here is s डबल कोट्स, ये स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में लिखा जाएगा. दिस इज द इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट हियर. इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल विल बी रिटन इन स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट एंड इज double equality sign, at minus t0 by m, and this is a condition 1 is the variable, condition 2 is the variable. We have set up the initial conditions. S at t is equal to 0 is equal to 0, s dash, this is a single quote, ds by dt at t is equal to 0 is equal to 0. This is the initial conditions, this is the equation, and d solve is the command to solve the differential equation. Now note here, Mathematica commands are written is in square brackets. So this is the square bracket and this is the curly bracket. Curly bracket में हम equations लिखते हैं और उनकी conditions लिख देते हैं. This is the equation and this is the initial conditions here, condition 1 and condition 2, and comma s square bracket में t dependent variable, t is an independent variable, and finally t is the independent variable and square bracket is closed. This is the syntax for the in Mathematica for solving the differential equation. And if you run these commands in the Wolfram Cloud applications in mobile, we get the output. Now we can see here the solution we can obtain and we can cross verify our solution. Now if we plot f is equal to at, and our s is equal to a by 6m t minus t0 whole cube, here we can give the some initial values. Suppose say a is equal to 1 and m is equal to 1, and if we plot these equations, you can see here this is the straight line up to t is equal to t0 there is no motion, and after t is equal to 0 there is a displacement here. This is the displacement and this is the force. So up to this point, when the force is less than the frictional force, there is no motion. Up to this point, after this point there is a motion here. So we can see here how we set up the differential equation in 3 computer algebra softwares: Maxima, SageMath and Mathematica, and solutions को हम प्लॉट करके अपनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग भी बढ़ा सकते हैं. आई होप कि ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा और आपको यूज़फुल रहेगा, और इसमें हम डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन सेटअप करना सीख सकते हैं कि कैसे को डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन सेटअप की जाती है. थैंक यू very much.